So today we are going to be talking about brightening body lotions and bar soaps for kids and teenagers, for both fair child and caramel skin children. I'm going to be telling you 8 body lotions and some body soaps that you can use along them. Now, if you have a child that the skin is darkening and you are looking for a good mild brightening body lotion that your child can use, I'm going to be spotting you to the ones that is actually going to do that for you. Okay, so yes, let's just go ahead. Please remember to like this video, subscribe if you have not, ask your questions, leave a comment, and share this video to somebody that this video is going to help. Thank you.
Your smile lit up like a sunrise glow.
So the first body lotion I have for you is from Dove, and that is Dove Body Love Glowing Care Body Lotion with lotus flower and rice milk. I have reviewed this particular body lotion on this channel before for adults, but children can also use this particular body lotion because it has amazing brightening ingredients. Like, it has very good natural brightening ingredients that is going to help to bring out the natural complexion of your child. Now, this particular one, I'm going to really recommend it for a fair child. Your child is fair, but the child's fairness, natural fairness, it's no longer there, it's looking dull and all of that. This particular body lotion is going to help to revive your kids complexion. It's going to soften their skin, and it is just going to give them that glowing, bright, fair complexion, because that's what this particular body lotion does. As the name implies, glowing care. It's going to glow your child's fair skin, and it is for all skin types. So it's not going to make your child sweat, but it is super moisturizing. Okay, so the second one on our list is the Dove Body Love Pampering Care Body Lotion. This one has shea butter and vanilla in it. Now, for this one, I'm going to be recommending this particular pampering care for a caramel child. If your child, your daughter, your son has this caramel color or even dark skin, but the dark skin or caramel skin is no longer popping, like the child is now like looking almost black color, and you want to revive your child's caramel, chocolate color, get pampering care. You are going to absolutely love it. This also works for a fair child that you don't want to brighten. Like, the fair child is just normal, okay, you just need a normal moisturizer. This is absolutely going to be lovely on his or her skin, but this is specifically for a child, for a caramel skin person, or for a caramel skin child. Your child's skin is going to love this particular pampering care. Okay, so yes, and it is super moisturizing. So if your child has dry skin, this is really going to help that dry skin, to revive the skin, to nourish the skin, to feed the skin with the necessary nutrients that the skin has been lacking. Now, the third on our list is also from Dove, and that is the Dove Body Love Restoring Care. Now, this one has coconut oil and almond milk. That's the two main ingredients this particular body lotion contains. This one also is good for everybody. Remember, all these lotions are good for both fair children and dark skinned children. I'm just specifying, so just in case you want some specific recommendation, you are going to know. Okay, but if your child's skin is, you are okay with your child's complexion, you can get any of these lotions, but I'm just specifying so you know the one in particular, just to help. Okay, so this particular one also is good for every complexion, but for specific recommendation, I would recommend this for a brown skin child. It is going to be beautiful. Coconut oil is very good on children's skin, and also almond milk. It is going to help to soften your child's skin. If your child has this dry skin, especially male kids, because the way they play around and all of those things, their skin are always looking cranky. Okay, so yes, get them this particular restoring care, and you are going to absolutely love their skin. If you have a child that the feet of your child is always broken, like it's always looking dry, giving that dryness, get either the restoring care or the pampering care. That feet issue is going to stop. And number 4 on our list is one of my favorite affordable brightening body lotion, and that is Nurture body lotion, the pink one, the cup in particular. Okay, it has the lotion and it has the cup, but I'm recommending the cup because I sort of prefer the cup to the lotion on. So get the cup, it's better. All right, and this is also for a fair child. If your child is fair and you want a body lotion, a cream that is going to shine your child's fair skin, get this one, especially if you're on a budget. get nurture. Nurture is very affordable. I think it's like 1517 thereabouts. It's super affordable and it works. But if you're not on a budget, I would say you should go for the Dove glowing care, the very first one I talked about. Okay, yes, it sells for about 7,000 naira, but this particular one is just 1,000 something, and it's very available depending on where you are, and it's actually very good for a fair child. So yes, number five. Now number five on my list is Cousin's baby lotion. This pink one, this particular body lotion is amazing. Like, it is even for an adult skin, it is super nice. It is super moisturizing and it is brightening surprisingly. Okay, this particular body lotion is good in as much as it is sold as a baby cream. Okay, teens can use it and their skin is going to flourish. Even adults, me self, I used to use it. It's nice, trust me. This lotion is very nice. If you have a fair child, if you have a caramel skin baby, any complexion actually can use it. Okay, but I'm just being specific. There are some that I would want you to get for your fair child that is going to, brighten and glow up his or her fair complexion. So this particular one is one of them. So let me recap. If your child is fair, or you're trying to you're trying to glow your child's natural fairness, the Dove glowing care, Ultra pink lotion, and then this Cousins pink lotion. These three, now we are still going forward. Okay, now the sixth one on our list is the E45 Junior Moisturizing Body Lotion. Now this particular one is for children with sensitive skin. There are some kids that have sensitive skin. Anything you apply on their bodies, either it's itching them or it's giving them one like sensitivity or the other. Get E45 Junior. It is super moisturizing. Okay, it is going to, if your child has dry skin, excessive dry skin, itchy skin, get E45 Junior. It is not going to irritate his or her skin. It is super good and it is mildly brightening. It is going to maintain your child's complexion. It's not super brightening, but it is going to maintain and brush up his or her natural skin's complexion. And the seventh on my list is specifically for children whose skin has gone darker. If your child's skin has gone darker and you are looking for a good affordable brightening lotion to use for your child, then get this one, and that is the Diesel Beauty Vitamin C Moisturizing Body Lotion. This body lotion is super good, it's super mild, it's super moisturizing, and it is also brightening, and kids can use it. Children, this video is not for babies, so your child can use, your teenager can use Diesel Vitamin C to brighten up his or her skin. Once her skin is, he or she is having issue of pigmentation on her skin, get this one. If he or she has spots, maybe pimples or acne spots, whatever spots on his or her body that you want to clear, get this particular Diesel Vitamin C. You are absolutely going to love this lotion. I think it's about 6,000 naira, 6,005 thereabout. It is nice when it comes to brightening a child's skin. Get Diesel Vitamin C and you will not regret it. Please, if you have not liked this video at this point, give this video a like and share this video. Thank you. Now the last one on my list is for kids with extreme dry skin. Your child has extreme dry skin. You have tried every moisturizing body lotion and it did not work for your child. Get a Venom moisturizing prebiotic oats body lotion. This body lotion is super duper moisturizing. It is dermatologically tested and proven to moisturize skin and also keep your skin moisturized for hours. This really works. Okay, if your child has extreme dry skin, get Aveeno and it is going to work for your child. It is super moisturizing and it is going to give your child that soft, supple, moisturized skin. All right, now soaps, brightening soaps that you can pair with this particular body lotions that we have talked about. I want to specify on some. Now if you are getting the glowing care, the Dove Body Love glowing care, I would want you to pair it with the Dove pink body lotion. Like, that combo just goes together. It goes perfectly together. Let him or her use it with the Dove pink and you're going to love your child's skin. Okay, now for every other one I talked about, I am going to be recommending number one, Idol Papaya Soap. It is a brightening soap. It is gentle on the skin, it is mild on the skin, but over time it gets the job done. Number two or number three, Dove was number one. Number three is the Idol Carrot Soap. These are soaps that work, but they are not harsh. They don't contain any hidden ingredient. Idol soaps products have been here for a while and they are very transparent. So it is not every soap that says carrot or that says papaya that you should buy for your child, because some of those products contain hidden ingredients that might dry out your child's skin and irritate their skin. But Ido is a good brand. Okay, so that's why I am actually recommending it, and because it works over time, you are going to see the results on your child's skin. Okay, Idol also has a liquid soap. This one, that is the Idol carrot soap. So if you want, maybe you have plenty children, okay, you can get, it's big, it's like 1 liter, you can get this one for them. It's also very nice. Liquid soaps are very good for children, so, and it really foams very well, so you can get the liquid one instead of the tablet one, whichever one you prefer, but they are all good. The next soap that is very important for a child to use is an antiseptic soap, and that is where Dettol comes in. Now they should use antiseptic soaps to have their bath at night to disinfect their skin from all the germs they got in contact with during the day. So make sure, if you are watching this video and your child is having, like, your child's skin is getting darker because of the sun, going to school, playing, or even playing in the compound, they've gotten darker, ensure that your kids have their bath at night. It is like compulsory if you want your child, to maintain their natural skin complexion and even glow it. They should always have their bath at night, and when they're having their bath at night, they should use antiseptic soaps, either Dettol, Premier Cool. These are soaps that will help to kill the germs in their skin and also keep them smelling fresh all night and all day. So in the morning, they can go ahead and use their Idol or their Dove or whichever one you choose to buy. Then one thing I want to say is, when you're working with a child's skin, you need to be patient. Be patient with their skin. Sometimes their skin takes time, because it's not like the product is not working, but a child is growing and the body, the brain, everything is working on a lot of things. So sometimes working with a child's skin, it takes time for their skin to respond to skincare products. So whichever of these products you choose, give it time. These are products that will work for your children's skin, but let them just use it and monitor the way they bathe, monitor their diet, monitor their water intake, and make sure they have their bath at night. This is one thing that is going to help you to preserve your child's skin. Make sure they have their bath at night, and make sure they use antiseptic soaps to have their bath properly at night. Okay, so yes, that's all I have to say. If you have any more questions, any video you want me to make, let me know in the comment section. Let's have a conversation.